Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my macaroni salad. Okay, to my pot of boiling salted water, I'm going to add 8 ounces of macaroni and I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes. I'm cooking this longer than most people, but we like our pasta to be soft. While that's cooking, let's make our dressing. To a bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, one cup of whole milk, half tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together. Now my macaroni is done. I'm going to drain it and let it cool down for at least 5 minutes. Now that my 5 minutes is up, I'm going to put it in my bowl. And when I do this, I always like to make sure I get a bowl that has a lid, so it's just easier to store in the refrigerator. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to that and give that a stir and let it sit for 5 minutes. Let's put this together. I'm going to add 1 large grated carrot to the macaroni, 1 rib of diced celery, I'm adding half of a large red bell pepper that I diced, and 2 green onions that are thinly sliced. Mix everything together. Now I'm going to add the dressing to that and mix that one last time to combine everything. Cover this and let this sit in the refrigerator at least an hour before you serve it. But I didn't have a lot of time. I was running low on time, so I took mine out after 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Because I took it out after 30 minutes, the dressing still looks a little bit runny. So once you keep it in there longer, it will thicken up, so don't worry about that. This is one of my husband's favorite because he loves pasta. I love pasta too, but I don't always like it cold. So I know I'm breaking the rule here, but I put it in the microwave and heat it up a little bit just because I like it to be a little bit warm. I hope you give this a try because it's just the perfect balance. The crunch from all the veggies and the pasta, the dressing. It's just really good. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.